Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to paint a peaceful sunrise over a calm lake where the golden sunlight shines through the trees and reflects beautifully on the still water. This is a relaxing landscape that's perfect for practicing reflections, lighting, and creating depth with acrylic paints. So let's begin. I start by mixing a very light warm color, using white with just a touch of yellow and red. I apply this glow from the center of the canvas, blending it gently upward and downward. This soft light will become the heart of our composition and the source of the morning sunlight. Next, I paint the upper part of the sky with a light blue and carefully blend it into the warm glow. For the lower half of the painting, I use a deeper blue and gradually lighten it as I move toward the center until it softly disappears into the bright area. Smooth blending is important here because it creates a peaceful atmosphere before we add any details. Now I prepare a muted mixture using blue, black, a little yellow, and white. With this color, I paint the distant trees along the horizon. I keep them soft and slightly blurred to create the illusion of distance. Before moving on, I also paint their gentle reflections in the water below. Using a darker green, I block in the shapes of bushes and grasses growing near the edge of the lake. At this stage, I only establish the dark foundation because we'll add bright highlights after the base layer is dry. I paint a thin shoreline between the water and the grassy land, then begin creating another row of trees that sit slightly closer to the viewer. Layer by layer, from the far background to the foreground, the landscape slowly comes to life and gains a convincing sense of depth. On one side of the painting, I add a larger group of foreground trees using an even darker green. These trees naturally frame the composition and guide the viewer's eye toward the glowing sunrise. Next comes one of my favorite parts, painting the reflections. I carefully recreate the trees in the water using soft vertical strokes, followed by small horizontal strokes across the surface to suggest gentle ripples. I also complete the tree trunks and their reflections, making sure everything aligns naturally. The bushes along the shoreline are painted with the same dark green, along with their reflections. While those layers dry, I move to other areas of the painting. Using my small round brush, I begin adding individual leaves around the outer edges of the trees. These tiny details soften the silhouettes and make the foliage appear much more natural and alive. Across the surface of the lake, I paint delicate horizontal highlights that suggest calm moving water. In areas touched by the morning light, I add warm orange reflections that mirror the sunrise and bring warmth into the composition. Now I switch to my liner brush and begin highlighting the grasses along the shoreline. I start with a bright grassy green and gradually add lighter tones with each layer. This builds texture and creates the illusion of sunlight catching the tips of the grass. Some of the leaves on the foreground trees are also highlighted where they face the light. These bright touches create a beautiful contrast against the darker shadows and make the sunlight feel much more believable. The large foreground bushes slowly gain volume as I continue adding lighter greens layer by layer. Building highlights gradually instead of all at once gives the foliage a realistic, three-dimensional appearance. Once the bushes are complete, I carefully paint their reflections in the water, along with the reflections of the nearby trees. Taking the time to mirror each shape helps transform the lake into a calm, glass-like surface. Finally, I add the last water highlights, delicate ripples, and tiny details throughout the painting. Now it's time for the finishing touch, the sunrise itself. Using a warm orange, I paint the glowing rays of the sun as they emerge from behind the trees. Toward the center, I gradually brighten the color until it becomes almost pure white, creating the intense brilliance of the rising sun. I also paint its shimmering reflection on the water, allowing the golden light to connect the sky and the lake. I hope you enjoyed creating this peaceful sunrise landscape with me and found this tutorial relaxing and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future acrylic painting tutorials. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments which part of this painting was your favorite, and let me know which country you're watching from. Thank you so much for spending your time painting with me. Until next time, happy painting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.